Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to force restart your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. There are different ways on how to force restart your iPhone. For iPhone 8 and later, including iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, all you have to do is press and quickly release the volume up. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side power button until the Apple logo appears, and then release. That is for iPhone 8. Now, when it comes for iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus, what you're going to do to force restart your iPhone is to press and hold both the volume down button and the sleep wake power button simultaneously. Keep holding until the Apple logo appears, then release both buttons. Now it's different for iPhone 6s and earlier, including iPhone SE first gen. So press and hold both the home button and the sleep wake power button simultaneously. Keep holding until the Apple logo appears, then release both buttons. So why force restart? Use it when your iPhone is frozen, not responding, or won't turn on normally. It won't erase your data, it just forces the device to reboot. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.